Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike Reynolds over at Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautiful truck. It's a 1964 Ford F100. Regular cab, short box, finished in teal and white. Body off restored about 2 years ago. Runs and drives absolutely fantastic. Sitting on the dog dishes as if it was 1964. Beautiful color combination. Gorgeous paint, chrome and stainless. 351 Windsor under the hood. Automatic transmission. I think it's a C6. Nice to have the big V8 in here too. Most of these had 6 cylinders. Nice straight body. Lofty bench. Does need a headliner. It's all Dyno Matted throughout. Showing 61,099 miles. Added gauges. Beautiful dash. Sun Visors. Oh, nice sound to it. Here today, it's like 30 degrees. Sorry about the wind. Headman Headers. Looks like a Holly Performance 650 double pumper carburetor. Electronic ignition with Accel wires. Cold start. Ahooga Horn. Battery. 860 cold cranking amps. Aluminum valve covers. They're like a billet style. Horn needs to be hooked up. There you go. Got a great sound to it. AM radio, it's not working. Nice truck. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.